Good morning, everybody. My name is AMNV Lakshman. I am studying 9th class. My school name is ZPP Boys High School, Rajol.
My name is K. Rajbabu. I am studying 9th class. My school name is ZPP Boys School, Razol.
My name is K. Manoj. I am studying 9th class. My school name is ZPP Boys School.
Our project name is Automatic Cloth Drying using Raindrop Sensor.
Using the components Arduino, Udo, raindrop sensor, USB cable, jack cables, servo motor, cardboard, color sheets, etc.
During the rainy season, people feel anxious when they are drying clothes. This anxiety will increase when they are clothes drying on the terrace of the house. The above incident, people became reluctant when the drying clothes. I became worried about that the clothes line would get wet in the rain. Would get in the rain. Would get in the rain. In the rain season, the majority of people dry their clothes on the terrace of the house.
This is done to avoid drying clothes. Drying clothes exposed to rain. When owner left house, outdoor activity house. The description of the problem. Above the author found to be make idea make a cloth line to make work Arduino Uno microcontroller. The uses of Arduino Uno microcontroller. The uses of UNO is coupled uses coupled sensor and a light depend register sensor.
This project is works.